What's going on, everybody? In today's episode we're unveiling a new project. So we're going to kill two birds with one stone here, hopefully. You'll get what I mean in a second. Check out this car. You guessed it, it's a Nissan Bluebird. Lads, if you think this car is worth saving, it's an absolute beauty. Have a little look at what we're actually doing. Check this one out. Now I know what you guys are thinking. This door is absolutely juiced, but in comparison to the other door that we have, I think I would much rather save this one. Let's have a look at the other one and see what we think. So guys, as you can see, the door has seen better days now around that area, and there seems to be an awful amount of filler in it. I had the pleasure of using this wire wheel on it, or the, what would you call it, rust removal disc, and cleaned it up nicely. But I'm going to take off the other door and see what it's actually like in comparison, but I don't know if we're going to save this door, so let's see what it takes to take it off. So with this door, I've already got the door panel off the inside of it, and I just need to undo these bolts here, or let's see, yeah, let's just undo them bolts there, I think. Don't fancy taking the pins off. Yeah. So I've taken out the loom, and I just want to take out that little pin that holds on the check strap. And it landed on me lap. Oh, hey! That's the check strap off. Let's get the two bolts out on the outside and let's that door off. So as you can see, we've taken the wires off, and it's just a case of blowing off these few bolts. And that's the door off.
A few moments later.
So first things up is we're going to cut out this section of the door. Now that we have this new door on, it is the better of the two doors. I have the windows out. This little bar has a little screw at the top that's not really overly wanting to come out. So I have this piece here cut out of the other door. I'm going to have to make a little strap then to go across to join them. But it'll sit something like this. So I'm going to put it on, mark around it, and cut it a little bit bigger. Cut this a bit bigger so I can grind it down to shape if I need to. So let's get this one started anyway. So as you can see, I'm lining up these holes here, this one and this one, to the correct position. So I'm happy enough with that position there now of it, so I'm going to just mark around the outside of it. I'll just mark around here now, mark around that. I'll cut that out and I'll clean up this here as well then. So let's get to marking it. So now that I'm happy with that position, we'll take this off. So now that I'm finished marking this, I will cut it out and we'll see about cleaning up this piece here and take it from there. Let's just cut it out and see how we can get it fitting in right. Let's make the first cut. Huh? And all of a sudden it's like, done. Huh. If only. Bit of a difference. So let's see how good marking was. Right on the high side here. Not bad at that. Bit on the long side, but not bad. Drop that down and check and see.